Goals are the key to achieving success and fulfilling your dreams. Without a clear vision and a plan to get there, it's easy to get lost in the chaos of life and lose sight of what truly matters to you. Whether you're pursuing a personal or professional goal, here are some tips to help you stay motivated and on track. 1. Set smart goals. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This means defining exactly what you want to achieve, breaking it down into smaller steps, and giving yourself a deadline for completion. 2. Create an action plan. Once you have your goals defined, create a detailed action plan for how you will achieve them. This should include specific tasks, timelines, and checkpoints to measure your progress. 3. Stay focused. It's easy to get distracted by other things in life, but staying focused on your goals is essential for success. Prioritize your time and energy towards the tasks that will bring you closer to your goals. 4. Celebrate your progress. Recognize and celebrate your successes along the way. This will help keep you motivated and inspire you to keep going when you face challenges. 5. Hold yourself accountable. Take ownership of your goals and hold yourself accountable for your progress. If you fall behind, don't give up. Instead, reassess your action plan and make any necessary adjustments to get back on track. 6. Stay motivated. Find ways to stay motivated throughout your journey. This could include reading motivational books or quotes, seeking support from others, or visualizing your success. Remember, goals are not just about achieving an end result, they're also about the journey of self-discovery and personal growth. Embrace the process, stay focused, and believe in yourself, and you can achieve anything you set your mind to.